Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use AI to convert image to a product photos in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open Canva. This is the PC version, desktop version. Don't forget to sign in with your account. If you don't have one, please sign up. Please register your account. To get started, you can click apps, then click design essentials. Now you can try to scroll down and try to find this one, AI products photos created by Novran Limited. So you can upload a product image, enter a text prompt for product photography image, and AI will convert the product image into a product photography image that relates to the text prompt. So you can click use in new design. For example, let's try the Instagram post aspect ratio. Now you can upload or select image. For example, this one. Now you can tell us about your product. So you can the percentage of the image width to fill the product. So let's try with the 80%. So you can tell us about your product. Let's try. So this is my text prompt: limited discount for mountain climbing equipment products. So click to generate. Please wait while your product background is being generated. So here we go. You can add to design. So it's not perfect, but you can try to start over. So this is like practicing. So you can click to start over. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the text button below. See you in the next video.